Motion-based mold design validates engineering decisions before steel cutting. This mold uses a hydraulic motor with a stripper plate for automatic unscrewing. It is a 1-1 consumer product mold built to DME standards, with 4 valve-gated hot drops. The product contains 4 internal thread turns, requiring reliable automatic thread release. Instead of using a thread sleeve, the threaded core moves directly during unscrewing. This reduces flash risk and simplifies assembly and maintenance. The stripper plates separate first. The hydraulic motor then drives the multi-gear system to complete the unscrewing sequence. The motor stops. The mold opens. Finally, the pneumatic cylinder pushes the B-plate forward to eject the finished part. The right mechanism is not always the most complex one. It is the one that delivers stable production and easy maintenance. Production stability is engineered, not assumed. Moldevo.